Hi guys, long time no see. Today we are going to do SATM effects. Tutorial. First up, echo. Effect 4. Speech. Firstly, extractor. Audio. Then, press on them. Audio and then find. Reduce noise. Then go on. Voice effects and find. Echo you can adjust it however you want. Done. Next up, how to do memory effect. Maker memory. Effect clip and overlay. Go on to mask and then go on to heart. Then slide down the arrow at the bottom to make the shadow, and then done. You can adjust it. THX for watching.